you're tired of feeling invisible, stuck, or just plain disconnected, let me tell you, you're not broken. You're just missing one ingredient, and that is you. And I know exactly how to get her back. I get it. Life is not easy, and sometimes it feels everything is stacked against you. Do you feel any of these? I feel defeated and find myself battling through the struggles of life. I lack confidence and feel inferior to others around me. I'm stressed and it's affecting my relationships and my life. I feel unappreciated and worthless despite of my all genuine efforts. I overthink, I'm scared, and my mind is like a roller coaster. I keep having low phases, anxiety, panic attacks, or even health issues. It's exhausting, isn't it? And maybe a part of you is thinking, there has to be more than this to life. Life cannot be like this. Well, I'm here to tell you that you are right. You don't have to feel this way all your life. And that's exactly why I created my Mirror Magic Workshop. It's simple. You back and finally feel like yourself again. Let me show you how powerful these small, simple changes can be. I promise it's truly worth it. Come on, let's do this together. We can work together to get the best version of you. Click the link below. I'll see you inside the workshop.